Simple present statements in the kitchen. Pronunciation. Listen and practice. I go to the kitchen. I wash my hands. I do the dishes. I clean the kitchen. I start to cook. I cut the chicken. I season the chicken. I wash the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I chop the onion, the parsley, and the garlic. I heat the pot. I make the rice. I go back and forth. Cooking takes time. I open the refrigerator. I get tomatoes and lettuce. I make the salad. Food is almost ready. It smells good in the kitchen. I call everyone to the table. We set the table. We serve the food. We eat. The food is delicious. We are all happy. Lunchtime is over. I rest. The children clean the kitchen. If you enjoyed this presentation, let us know. Please like and subscribe for more videos.